near where we should be for being lined up.
Sink rate.
This isn't nearly as promising as I had hoped.
$400, $300,
Come on.
$200,
Recover. You can still do this.
$100.
Look, I actually got 2 red
Approaching
lights
minimums.
and 2 white.
$50, $40, $30,
Okay.
$20,
Just
$10.
Just get down. Oh, I think. Oh, we're down. I mean, we are actually down and looking good. Wow, 3 for 3. This plane is remarkable. We got to start doing tricks now.